2, 3. Okay, for this reaction, I'll be wearing goggles to protect my eyes from any chemicals that may enter it. I'll be wearing gloves to ensure that all these household substances don't burn me or injure me. I'm also wearing a lab coat to make sure that my clothes remain clean and that I look formal in the lab environment. I have a paper towel to wipe off anything that may be on the desk, any mess that I make. And I have my beaker, my spoon for measurement, and this wooden mixer to mix my substances in my beaker. This is my red cabbage juice. This is my vinegar. Okay, hello guys, my name is Malusi. Today I'm going to be demonstrating an acid-base neutralization reaction using common household substances. This experiment will consist of a chemical reaction between an acid, vinegar, and a base. I'll be using baking soda as my base, vinegar as my acid, and red cabbage juice as my natural indicator. In order to illustrate this practical, I will be using the beakers in order to mix the base, acid, and red cabbage juice. I will be using the spoon to measure my bicarbonate of soda. I will use this to mix, and don't forget the paper towels in case you make a mess. For safety precautions, I'm wearing a lab coat, I have gloves and goggles. Okay, go. So first, for this thing, I will measure a cap of vinegar and add it to my beaker. And then I will add this cap of red cabbage juice, my natural pH indicator, to this acid. As you can see, the color is pink. This pink demonstrates that this is an acid. This will show you whether you have an acid, a base, or a neutral substance, because it is the pH indicator. Then, using this bicarbonate of soda, I will add a spoonful of it. Enough. Just enough in order to see the color change. As you can see bubbles forming. This is the carbon dioxide, because when you have a acid and a base reacting together, you get carbon dioxide, salt, and water. Now I will mix these things together and I get a rather purplish substance. Now it's changing to blue, and now it's getting dark purple. You can see it there underneath. Yeah, we've done this now. I don't even think this is real.
And the safety precautions?
Good. Okay, so this is the reaction between a base and an acid using a pH indicator. As you saw in the beginning, the substance was pink, indicating that it was an acid. And then when I added in the baking soda, it ended up turning into this color, which is like a purplish blue, which may show that it is, it is a neutral substance. I would say it's neutral. Okay, to conclude this, let me wipe this. We have successfully demonstrated an acid-base neutralization reaction. The vinegar, an acid or weak acid, reacted with the baking soda, a base, to produce carbon dioxide, gas, water, and sodium acetate, which is a salt. This is what you can call a neutral substance. The color change of the red cabbage juice went from pink to this bluish purple color, indicating that the reaction went from an acid to a neutral substance. Thank you.